If you want to earn online in 2026, but you feel confused, you don't actually know where to start from or how to start, this video is just perfect for you. Let me do short intro. So I'm Influencer Lovis. I teach beginners, side hustlers, stay-at-home mother, students on how to earn online. Yes, so if you want to earn online, forget about the lies they tell you. You don't need following, you don't need money, you don't need anything to start. With just your phone, your internet is what you need. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step procedure on how you can earn online, and I'm going to be guiding you through my my guidelines on this video. So please, I will beg for, like, do well to subscribe to this channel. If your motive is to earn online as a pure beginner, subscribe ASAP. Subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop video like this, you can get a notification. My platform on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I teach beginners on how to earn online. I also do one-on-one mentorship class. In case you need a mentorship class as a beginner, you come across this video, do yourself a favor to just send a DM or drop it on this comment, like, please, I need a mentorship, I want to earn online. So I mentor beginners, students, stay-at-home mothers. There is a lot for you to do online. So forget about that confusion. Oh, I don't know where to start. I hear that people are making money on this platform, TikTok, on this. You are in the right platform to learn the basic step-by-step knowledge on how you can earn on this social media online. So without further ado or not, let's dive in to today's business. For those who are confused but they want to earn online, they are beginners, they just coming online to search, how do I make money online, how do I do this, how do I do this. This is just what you are looking for. This is the opportunity. So just stay tuned, hold your ear, your paper, and let's dive in now. So as I earlier say, we don't need money, we don't need too much followings, we don't need luxury setting to start online site also. What you need is the right strategies. If you have the right strategies around you, you are good to go. You don't need too much again. So I'm going to be breaking the strategies now that you really need in order to set up yourself on the space of digital space and you start earning something for yourself ASAP. So first thing you have to do, you have to pick one digital skill. Yes, you have to pick a digital skill. Master the digital skill. You can spend like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, as the year is just starting now. This is December, you're watching this video. So pick a particular digital skill. What is that digital skill? It's going to be a content creation digital skill. Yes, I also mentor beginners on this area. In case you want to learn fast, on content creation digital skill that can enable you to scale through the world of digital space, to do affiliate marketing, to create a faceless content, motivational content. I teach beginners all of these ones. I'm just listing it on this video, but I'm going to give you the tips on how you can start. Those that are confused, that is what this video is all about. So how do you go about it? You choose a particular digital skill, which is content creation. You see, content creation cover video editing, motivational posts, affiliate, dropshipping. All of these, you can able to get the knowledge on this. So after you learn those ones, yes, you are now good to go. You can now go and choose a platform. For beginners, I don't advise you to choose multiple platforms. Don't jump from Facebook to YouTube to Instagram to wherever, because you will not have the resources or the time to do it. So if your aim is to earn, I will advise you to pick a simple platform like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. So Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you pick just one platform. Don't get yourself complicated as a beginner. Just one single platform, then you are good to go. So after you pick your platform, what next? Yes, step by step. After the platform, you are now going to put consistency into action. Your focus, your consistency, the strategies you're going to use to create, you're going to put it into action. So if you ask me what can really give us a success as a creator on social media, is our consistencies. Let no man convince you. You must be consistent. You're not going to post for 1 week, 2 weeks without views, likes, engagement. People must know what you are doing before they can start engaging in your content. So you're going to be consistent in your posting, in your wherever. So that is it. So consistency is the #1 key. If I'm a beginner who is confused on how to earn online, I must know that I must be consistent if I want to earn on social media. That is the #1. Then after you put consistency into place, you are good to go, because consistency will need you to show up every blessed day. Every blessed day you need to show up in posting your video, your wherever, and you are good to go. So that is it. So I'm going to be coming up with part 2 of this video. Please do well to subscribe. Don't fail to subscribe on this video. So I'm rounding it up now. If you want the step-by-step guidelines, just comment "start now" on this video, or I will drop a link on this video to reach out to me for the step-by-step procedure for you to start. There is no delay. This is 2026. Just start ASAP. As you finish watching this video, go and learn a content digital skill that will enable you to earn massively online. If you need someone to hold you by the hands, I am here to help you, to hold you, to show you, to share screen with you by your hands. So feel free to subscribe. Follow me for more tips like this. See you again.